Market demand and opportunities in manufacturing business of adhesive, Fevicol type. The global adhesive market is booming, and driving this explosion in adhesive demand is the demand across multiple industries. These sectors are construction industry. Adhesives are being used more than ever to bond materials such as tiles, insulation panels and flooring, to name a few, and of course most of these methods are replacing fastening and other traditional methods. Automotive sector. Within the automotive sector, you will find that adhesives play a key role in vehicle lightweighting, which often improves fuel efficiency, ultimately reducing emissions. Packaging industry. Again, within the packaging industry, we find that adhesives are necessary to provide secure seals and oftentimes to provide efficiencies in the assembly stages of packaging materials. Thanks for watching.